Ko Lizzie Rangihuna hau, ko te eke hoi ho tōku ao, no mai anō. Kua kite a hau I te aukume o te katoa ki te hoiho. Kua pirangi ki te whakamātau ake. I huri haere a hau I ngā hau e whā. Google. Ki te kimi I ngā kai whakaaweawe I te hunga ranga wairua. Ko tono a rātou kia hiri mai ki te ekenga o ngā ekenga.
So if you want to live out your coupling fantasies, or you're just concerned about rising petrol prices, then come and get your leg over with me.
How many alien weaponry does it take to ride a horse?
I don't know, but I got a couple.
We've decided that we can collectively make one singular cowboy with Lewis's hat, Henry's shirt, and my pants and boots. Cowboy.
Papiki ki te puku o te ika, ki te rotorua nui a kahumata momoi, ki te rohe e pepeha te ana mai maketu ki tongariro, te aroa waka, te aroa tangata. I te rangi nei I e kake, ka tūtaki atu tātou ki te pēne o alien weaponry. Ka mohi o mai koutou, I actually first met alien weaponry when I rode a horse in their Momoko music video. Back then, I stepped into their world. Today, they're stepping into mine. So let's see if these metal boys can get their leg over.
Finally here, eh?
Karano!
Ai kai te pēhea koe.
Okay, te ora.
Awhai.
Ko Alfie tēnei.
Kia ora, Alfie.
Kia ora e te whānau, we are Alien Weaponry.
Kia ora, I am Lewis, Urahuruhi Alutdiong. I play guitar and sing.
Awhai. Te Reipati, otherwise known as Henry Te Reipati Johannes Diong. I'm a drummer.
Tūranga, Purwini Morgan Edmonds, bass player, backing vocalist for Alien Weaponry.
It's nice to see you guys again. What have you been up to?
Lots of shows, lots of travelling the world, and it's nice to finally be back home.
Cool, well, welcome to my world.
I think I'm less nervous than Tūranga. Ridden a horse once at a school camp on a very flat trail.
I think it goes in most to least nervous, probably. I think I rode a horse once when I was 14. Someone was leading the horse, so I basically just sat on the horse.
We're gonna go and see our horses, are we?
We're gonna go see our horses.
No te aroa a Lewis rao ko Henry, nā I tono ai au kia tūtaki atu ai mātou ki horse trekking Lake o Kareka.
No mai.
Oh, look at how many horses there are.
Yeah. Look at all those horses, Tūranga. See, that one's gone cute.
Definitely not grown up around horses or been anywhere near horses really, so I was like, pretty nervous, a little bit scared.
Bro, look at that guy in the back with the stance, bro, staring you down, bro.
I wouldn't call it a full-on phobia, but it's definitely an uneasiness.
Tūtaki mai kia Indy, kia Spencer, kia Pina.
Kia ora.
Kia ora.
So you guys can figure out which horse is calling you.
Indy.
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 Indy, Tūranga, Tūranga, Indy.
I saw Spencer stomping before. That's my kind of boy.
I guess I'll take Peanut then.
Again.
Last is best.
Oh, got a good little bond pununga going on over here.
I think I like Spencer.
And over there was Peanut.
He's chilling.
But the wero tuatahi, we're taking their pajamas off.
So how do we do it?
Tūranga and I will go in and we'll give you a demo.
Trust.
Hello, horse.
Horses, prey animals, nā reira pāruringa.
Pāruringa.
Yep. We just want to make them feel comfortable. So just relax, okay? Taking the covers off, you're just gonna Pangohia ienei?
I mean, that's probably half the reason I was scared of them in the first place, because they're a big animal. But like when you're standing next to them, I'm like, man, that's a big animal. But I was also quite surprised at how comfortable I got quickly. Watch the master at work.
Ka pai and fold it back. Pangohia te mea o mua. Ka pai.
The master at work.
Near the bum. Well, ka pai tō mahi, I whihia tērā ki aku.
Yeah, not bad. Actually, I'm feeling a lot more relaxed. Like
I noticed that.
I just said before, I've taken a few pajamas off in my time. Never a horses though.
Ka mai te wehi, let's go see if the boys can do it just like this.
Right, first,
Henry's off.
Henry's already in. You got to catch up, Lewis.
Great start.
Look at this guy. He's a pro already. I think it's the mullet.
He was saying it's my mullet.
I think he's memorized the first lesson and he's already moving 3 steps ahead.
Yeah.
Ka pai. See,
Oh,
teamwork.
I have to go around the back now. This strap here.
Ready to get
Oh, this one here.
it off.
See.
And then unclip it.
Hang it over the side here, eh?
Henry's already done it.
Oh, so there's just a buckle, like a clip.
There you go.
Tūranga, mai te kau, pēhia te tokorua.
Te kau. Ono.
Pina, pēhia tērā.
He toki tango kahu moi anō.
Alien Weaponry as a rōpū, we've been going since 2010 when Lewis and I were brothers. We started the band. It got a little bit serious when we moved up north to Waipu.
Like my bass finger warm up.
Tūranga we met at school when we moved up there. And then when our old bass player Ethan decided he didn't want to play in the band anymore, we approached Tūranga to see if he was interested.
Here I am.
Here he is, yeah.
If you ever wondered what a day looks like for a musician playing on one of the biggest heavy metal stages in the world, let's take a look. This is our backstage area. All right, time to wash my hair before I get on stage. Looks good? Thumbs up? Thumbs up. Get some breakfast in, get into my stage clothes, and we're heading to stage. Time for a warm-up, so I tend to try warm my fingers up 5-10 minutes before the show.
Mai te iwi, ko te wero I naenei, ko te prahe I ngā hoiho. Kōrero mai, prahe mirimiri.
Prahe mirimiri.
Ka pai, prahe mirimiri.
Prahe mirimiri.
Prahe mirimiri. Ka pai, tikura. Head main, makoe. If the head feels a bit intimidating, you can start from the neck. Yeah.
Being able to, take the cover off and brush the horse down was cool.
So definitely their backs. Yeah, work your way down their legs.
Ooh, ai, ki ko.
Although I was told that I did a job, so I had to, he's like, oh, you need to brush here again. And I was like, oh, okay. You're all good, Peanut.
You can always go back to that spot.
Mau te kita, māku e hamumu.
He's also licking and chewing. Lick and chew, he tohu tērā o te pai o te hoiho. Kei te whakatāia. This is called a hoof pick. Speaking of hoof picks, who is the lead picker? Oh, you're up.
You're up first this time, Lewis.
I had to lift the horse's leg up and scrape all the dirt out.
Slide your hand down. The horse will give it to you. And you're just gonna, get out.
Into the strike zone goes Lewis.
All right, hold it. Hold it. I'm like right there with the big kicky leg, I guess that's one of my fears.
He's just talking to you saying, don't worry, it's all good down there. Hit the pike where? How was it?
Oh, smells a bit putty down here.
Yeah,
It didn't smell very good, there was a bit of old poo in there, so.
old poo.
Ka vai. Tūranga. Don't break your tuara. Kawe. TVA. Henry. Ka vai.
How's that looking?
Tino a tāhua.
Hoki mai anō.
Hei ngā kaupoi me ngā kaukeo, nau mai, hoki mai, ki horse tricking Lake Ōkaireka, he konei tonu a Alien Weaponry, kua piri mai a Lucy ki te tautoko I a tātou. Nā reira, kia tahuri atu tātou, ki ngā mahi, whakaraue hoiho.
Grab in the saddle blanket, like this, we put that first, and then if you grab a saddle.
I think for me, that's where I was most nervous. If you were in a big open space, You know, I was looking at those feet like, oh my gosh, don't boot me. Do not boot me, please, you know.
All right, that's her done. And now we'll do peanut.
Just like that.
Perfect.
I te mataku te tuatahi, engari ki te waia haere nei.
Oh, they're heavier than you might expect.
Easy saddle.
And so it was nice also just being able to put the saddles on yourself, and so you get to have like a little bit more of an in-depth experience as well, and then see how the pros do it.
Yeah.
Your hand is feeding the bit to them. This one, oh, Lewis gonna have fun.
Oh, that's not gonna be fun.
And just feed it to them. Yeah. So with them I had to switch hands.
I wish I had the bitless one.
Yeah, I reckon I'll be all good, eh?
Ka pai te iwi he whakataitai kei te haere, nā reira, mā takitaki mai. Yep, so put your reins with your other hand.
Come on, Peanut. Come on, come on, come on.
There we go.
Where does this one go?
Under the chin.
There we go.
Taringan, taringan.
One taringa. Thank you.
Not today.
There you go.
He doesn't like it. I ain't brave enough to do that with a horse that's in that sort of mood about it.
Shout out Indy, bruh. We locked in.
Okay, let's check Henry. Well, although you didn't have a bit, horses are still unpredictable, so even there is a dangerous spot, so we need your fingers.
Yeah, the old ringa are important. Even without them, I might be able to sellotape some drumsticks on and make a show happen.
Yeah. And turanga all the way over there. Did you be here?
Yeah, good. I definitely need my fingers, so that was a little nerve-wracking. A bass player without fingers, I might as well get another job.
What about you, Lewis?
Oh, yeah, I'm glad you helped me out.
What would you do without your fingers?
Cry. When we decided to start writing in te reo in our metal band, we didn't quite know how people would react. I guess the two worlds actually blend very well. The sounds match up quite a lot.
Similarities between the haka especially, you know, you've got the kind of energy and the, you know, the aggression behind it. You're pulling from the same kind of feelings, and so just putting the two together just makes sense.
It's quite cool to be able to play around with your sound because it's the language or cultural element that makes us identifiable as a band.
Vane, not sure if you realise, but I've actually switched horses. Ngāti mea, Alfie here is a little bit less wild. It'll be a bit easier for me being a second-time rider.
Yeah, so just unclip. So we'll just create a circle. Ka pai, and wherever you're looking, that's where they're going to want to go. So make sure you're looking where you're going, not looking back at your horse.
Come on.
And then I'll get you guys to line up.
Lining up, we're going in here. Ooh, pull up in the parallel park, skirt.
Parallel park.
Hey?
Nice foot.
Are you guys ready to get your leg over?
Yep.
I haven't been first in any of it, so I should be first to put my leg over, eh?
I think so. I think so.
You ready, Alf?
You ready?
I think he's ready.
I think they're ready. So pop 2 hands here, and if you give me your leg, and on 3 you're going to jump, okay? 1, 2, 3. Whoa. You're supposed to jump. It's okay. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Oh.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Got your leg over, Kapai.
Barely got my leg over.
Oh, Kapai.
Well, I'm not even sure I'm going to be able to get down. I might have to just stay up here, eh?
Hello, you ready for me?
Kapai.
Hey.
Of course you're going to get it on the first try, eh?
Feeling all right up there, Kapai?
Yeah, feeling comfy. The comfiest I've felt all day, actually. I prefer being up here, actually, than anywhere there. That's a frightening zone for me. This I feel all right.
Hei maharahara, kei konei au.
Sure.
We're just doing a big circle again.
He punua akoranga hei whakarite I ngā boys.
And just like you're opening a door, you stick to your porohita, picture that circle in your head, and you're going to create a big circle. Okay, go Peanut, you're leading the way.
Yeah, right. Over here.
Hey bro, Peanut's locked in, brother.
Hey, there you go.
Even if your heels just touch his puku, you got it. Ka pai hoa mā, I pihia tērā ki a koe.
Yeah, so much fun. But I think we're figuring it out.
Mōhio pai ana ki a koe.
Me and Alfie here, tino pai ki a Māua.
And Lewis, Kuruka, Peanut, how are you guys doing?
Peanut's a bit more of a feisty horse, I think, but I think I've got a good thing going here.
He purei hoi hoi te wānei, musical horses.
Let's go.
When the music stops, you're gonna stop.
Let's go this way. Oh, Lewis, cutting the corner down the inside line.
Oh, I toa tūranga I Taurona. Ka vai.
Come on. Hell yeah.
Henry! Wow!
I think Lewis had that one. He was quick.
Well, you've all had a win now, so we're all winners. I naenei, ka tahuri ki mahi ke atu. Bye, mate. Follow me.
Howdy.
Say hello to Indy. Cruising.
Ka vai, kia tere ake I naenei.
You go get that flow, brother.
Hold the saddle.
When Lizzie was having us, get the horse a little bit faster, you're really trying to sit in that rhythm so that you're not just bouncing all over the place and coming up the stirrups. Yeah, you got it, brah. You got it, brah. Let's go. You would think as musicians, we're pretty decent at rhythm, but definitely given me a lot of appreciation for people who are very good at riding horses.
Yeah. I'm ready.
Whoa.
Wee, that's crazy.
Yeah, it's a bit like when you're headbanging on stage, eh? Without asking.
Mama on the little
I know.
picky, bro.
How did Peanut? Woohoo! Ka pai, Peanut.
Dude, it's a bit of a nut.
Yeah, whānau, that was a bit of a nutcracker, eh?
Kei te pai oku.
You're up, Henry. Get over here.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, he's a powerhouse, this one.
Oh, drifties, bro.
So much power, he's going side. Good boy, Alfie.
Hold on to a drift over here.
So you've been up there a long time. How are you going?
I'm feeling a little more stable.
Taunga ana kia Henry. Mea rawa ke.
Yeah, that would have been good, eh? As I say that, I'm nearly coming off.
We were so close to having our first fall off of the day, man. What a disappointment.
Well, with that, I think we'll take the win, hey?
Yeah, Alfie was just a bit rotund, a bit round. So it was the saddle's fault. I'm going to blame the saddle, eh? Yeah.
All right, now we're going to execute the dismount and we'll give you guys Porou a rest. All right, in here, ngā waiwai, take both feet out. Your right leg is going to come around the back of you and you're just going to slowly hold yourself and place yourself on the ground shot. Oh, pia ngā waiwai.
Yeah, there we go. Woo. Yeah, that's a good workout, eh?
Ka pai koutou. Yeehaw.
Woohoo! Kua pakari a kāti kia kaketahi. Te piwari hoki kaupoi mā.
There you go.
E rite ai ngā kaupoi nei mo te tereki roa, he paku whakangungu prakitihi te tuatahi, nā reira he tereki poto kei te haere. Ko rite koutou? Are you ready? So all just fall in a line. Ka pai. So don't go past me, you can go behind me if you need help to slow down.
When we were just doing the practice runs, it just felt very close, so I was kind of looking forward to being out in a more open space.
Going uphill, we lean forward a little bit.
So if horse decides it wants to do something, there's space for it to do it and for me to react to it.
Come on, Indy.
We're just doing a poo. The steeper the hill, the more you lean forward. Okay, we're gonna go uphill and really lean forward here, okay?
My horse, Indy, we'll try to get Indy to follow Lizzie because Indy was like wanting to just kind of go left.
Raue. Oh, come on, Indy.
Oh, come on, Indy. She just kept wanting to go left, so we're like, we'll try and get Indy to stay right.
Right, come on, Indy.
And we're like, let's get a little bit of movement going.
Pull. Yeah, hold the main tiranga. You're right.
All of a sudden, Lewis is like, and like comes flying. He's like, woo! There you go.
I was already kind of going at a bit of pace up the hill, and then I was like, yeah, like, and then skadoosh, 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 and then I was like, all of a sudden I felt like a cowboy.
Great job, you did a canter.
Well, and your reaction at the top as well was great. You're like, oh!
Yeah. See, I got a race all. Yeah.
That was so nice.
I mean, you know, I guess I'm just
that guy.
Just that
guy.
Bye. Now go left.
I was actually surprised how comfortable I was.
Okay, just be careful here. Hold both reins. Pull down, pull.
Woo!
Oh, you looked pretty comfortable when you were lying on the ground before, eh?
Oh, yeah, well, I was the only one that fell off a horse. Yeah, the saddle just kind of slid around and I came off this way and Alfie stopped. He was good. He was good.
I just looked back and you were just slowly coming.
Like Lizzie was saying, it did feel like a bit of a slow motion experience. Came off and it just slowly came around. Then just smack flat on my back and just kind of sat there for a minute. Had to reset. But yeah, got back up and got my leg over again. Yeah.
Rua nā te whenua I te kaitaramu, engari, ka rite rau atu ki te tereki roa. All right, guys, give me your best head-banging nod if you're ready.
So we just got up the stage in Oslo, Norway.
Nā te noi o ngā apataki I tā wāhi e whakatairanga nei te reo Māori ki te ao.
Part of what makes metal so great is half the time you can't understand the lyrics anyway, so you've got to go and look them up, which means that a lot of the fans go and figure out what the band is singing about. We've got an amazing reception from people overseas.
So the concept of going over there and playing in a foreign language, to them, they're not opposed to language in the same way.
Kao, e whakanuia keti ana, anei ngā apataki o tā wāhi e haka ana.
You know, that kind of crowd interaction in heavy metal, like the mosh pit, when you've got circle pits. We are giving it our 150% on stage. So we love it when our crowds just really get that thing ripping apart and going absolutely crazy, you know, because it feels like they're giving us 150% as well, you know. Because we're going into our final trick of the shoot, which is the real deal, beyond the boundaries of safety.
Anei anō te pene e ke panuku ana. Haumaru ake ana I te mosh pit, tau ake ana I te tū ki te atamira.
Quite cold this morning, and just as we were leaving for the trek, the sun came out and everything kind of chilled. It was like beautiful as. And then it felt cool because it was a posse. You know, there was all of us there in a line. I was like, oh yeah, this is a cowboy movie right now. But it was really beautiful, you know, like we went up along the hill there, which means we got a beautiful view of Lake Okareka, which is right in Rotorua where we're filming.
He rite tonu te kōrerotia o te hirahira o te taiao e alien weaponry I a rātou waiata. Nā reira pia I eke ai te tereki wairua nei.
It's kind of like this moment where you go up watching Lord of the Rings, you go, man, the horse scenes are so cool, and you're kind of up there like pretending you're living that fantasy, you know. I was like, I used to always think, I was like, man, the Riders of Rohan are the coolest part of the Lord of the Rings movie. Don't fall off. Rider of Rohan. Yeah, I'm trying to Rider of Rohan. Cool. What a view, bruh.
One, it was just awesome to see Lizzie again, you know.
And I don't think we could have asked for a much better teacher, to be honest with you. Like
100% would do it again, eh?
20 out of 10 for me.
Yeah.
You're going to turn me into a rodeo star in no time.
Right, so to all our fans, everyone that's watching, aroha nui kia koutou. We really appreciate it and it's been such fun. Hope you guys love it.
Yeah.
Hard out.
Tēnei haerenga e. He mahi tēnei kataia e tātou katoa. Manawatia ngā mahi tuku iho, hoki a te tai ao. Tūhono atu ki o tātou tīpuna. E kake e te iwi e.
Wow! Bye.
Ko te reo, te take.